Hi everyone, welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to learn about nested tuples in Python. So far, we've worked with flat tuples, where each item is a simple value. But Python also lets us create tuples inside other tuples. This is called nesting, and it's perfect for representing structured data. Let's jump into PyCharm and see it in action. Right-click on the tuples folder. Choose New Python file. Name the file tuple_nested. We'll define a tuple called student. Type student equals within round brackets. Within double quotes, the name Raju, comma, number 21 for age, comma, then a tuple of scores 85, 90, 92. Close everything. This is a nested tuple because the third item is itself a tuple. Let's print it and see what we have. We type print function within brackets student. Let's run the program and you can see the output Raju 21, 85, 90, 92. Perfect. We now have a tuple that holds a string, an integer and another tuple. Let's now access specific values. Suppose we want to get the inner tuple, the scores. For that, let's type scores equals student within square brackets 2. Then print scores. Let's run the program and you can see the output 85, 90, 92. Now let's go deeper. We want to get the second score from that nested tuple. So we type second underscore score equals student within square brackets 2, then another within square brackets 1. This means access the third item, the inner tuple, then get the second item from that. Print it, print function and pass second underscore score. Let's run the program and you can see the output 90. That's how you access nested elements using double indexing. First index to get the outer item, second index to get the item inside the nested structure. Let's now define a more detailed example. Let's type class underscore data equals within round brackets. Add two nested tuples inside. First one within round brackets double quotes math, comma 78. Second one within round brackets double quotes science, comma 88. Close the main tuple. So this tuple holds subject score pairs and each one is its own nested tuple. Let's print it. Then loop through it. We write for keyword followed by subject, comma score in keyword class underscore data colon. Indented line print function within quotes subject colon space close quotes comma score. Let's run the program and you can see the output math 78, science 88. Nested tuples make it easy to group related data, especially when each item is a pair or a mini record. Perfect. Let's review what we learned. A nested tuple means placing a tuple inside another tuple. We can access them using double indexing, one for the outer tuple, one for the inner. This is great for storing structured data like names, marks, coordinates, or more. Nested tuples are read-only, just like normal tuples. You cannot modify the items, but you can access and unpack them easily. You will often see nested tuples in APIs, CSV data, or database rows. Thanks for following along, and I'll see you in the next one.